Ooh, that looks tight. What team did you take? The Williams AT&T?
This is I'm driving for you right now, dude.
Yeah, but on yours,
I said that was Williams.
on your career, you're Williams?
Yeah, I'm Red Bull now, though.
Oh, 'cause you moved on up like George and Wheezy?
Sure. So I signed them like halfway through the season. When I had the title clinched. And I just kept with it after that.
Cut the corner there. Boom. That looks sweet. Alright.